Can you tell us why trade preferences are important for LDCs?
They are important because they help LDCs to integrate in the international trading system. WTO members have a commitment to provide non-reciprocal trade preferences. The fact that products coming from LDCs, they enter into market without being charged the tariffs, it helps those products to become more competitive. In so doing, they help the demand of LDC products to increase. As a result, it contributes to economic and social development in LDCs.
What is the role of preferential rules of origin in relation to LDC trade preferences?
For LDCs exporters to benefit from the preferences, they need to comply with requirements related to rules of origin, such as the original criteria, the certification rules, as well as the transportation rules. If those rules are too strict, that means exporters from LDCs, they will be not able to use the preferences. As a result, it will be a lost opportunity.
What can we learn from looking at preference utilization rates?
Preference utilization rates help us to understand to what extent are the preference being used. If utilization rates are low, it may be an indication that the requirements are too strict, and therefore it will help us either to engage with preference granting members bilaterally or multilaterally to find a common solution.
What are some of the points LDCs raise at the Committee on Rules of Origin in respect to preference utilization?
It should be recalled that the Bali and Nairobi ministerial decisions members committed to simplify and make the rules of origin more transparent. The ultimate goal is to ensure that the preferences are being fully utilized by LDCs. The same decisions mandated the Secretariat to calculate utilization rates and reported in the Committee of Rules of Origin, where they are being those reports discussed. Basically is to find best practices and identify the challenges which prevent LDCs to use those preferences. It is expected also that preference granting members, they can study themselves those reports and also identify areas where they can reform their rules of origin.